Hey everyone, this is Danny Etkin representing Team Paul Mitchell. Today I'm going to show you how to do a move that I call the Blockbuster or triangles. So we're going to start off in this position right here. So I have my right hand at my right shoulder, left hand is at my right hip. Now from here, I'm going to take my left hand, it's going to come across, going to the left hip just like so. Now from here, I'm going to take my right hand, it's going to switch positions with my left hand. So my right hand goes to the left hip, and my left hand goes to my left shoulder, just like that. So now I take my right hand, and I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Come across, and left hand comes down to the right hip, right hand goes up to the right shoulder. Boom. So it's going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you can begin to speed this up, and it'll look like this. Boom. And that is called the Blockbuster or the triangle strike.